If you're thinking of using intermittent fasting to shed some pounds, improve your health, and boost your metabolism, you're in the right place. We will share with you 5 crucial tips to set yourself up for success. Before we start our video, like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy recommendations. Intermittent fasting has become increasingly popular over the years, and for a good reason. It's an effective and natural way to lose weight and improve overall health. In this video, we'll dive into the 5 mind-blowing intermittent fasting secrets that will unlock the door to easy weight loss. Secret number 5. Know your fasting window. The first secret to successful intermittent fasting is to know your fasting window. Intermittent fasting is all about timing your meals, and the key to making it work is to know how long you should fast. Generally, a fasting window of 16 hours and an eating window of 8 hours works best for most people. This is known as the 16/8 method, which is also known as the Lee and Gaines protocol. However, you can adjust your fasting window based on your lifestyle and individual needs. For instance, some people prefer a 14/10 fasting window, while others opt for a more extreme approach like the 24/4 fasting window. The key is to find the fasting window that works best for you and stick to it. Secret number 4. Stay hydrated. The second is to stay hydrated during your fasting period. Drinking enough water is essential during fasting, as it helps you stay full and flushes toxins out of your body. It's recommended to drink at least 8 to 10 cups of water per day, which is equivalent to about 2 liters. You can also drink herbal tea or black coffee, but avoid adding sugar or cream as it can break your fast. Drinking water and staying hydrated can also prevent hunger pangs and reduce cravings. So, make sure to keep a water bottle handy and sip on it throughout the day. Secret number 3. Start slow. The third secret is to start slow. If you're new to intermittent fasting, it's essential to start with a shorter fasting window and gradually increase it over time. Starting slow allows your body to adjust to the new eating pattern and prevents any discomfort. You can start with a 12-hour fasting window and gradually increase it by 1 to 2 hours per week until you reach your desired fasting window. Remember, intermittent fasting is not a one-size-fits-all approach, and you need to listen to your body and adjust accordingly. Secret number 2. Eat whole foods. The fourth secret is to focus on eating whole, nutrient-dense foods during your eating window. Avoid processed and refined foods, sugary drinks, and snacks. Instead, choose foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Eating a balanced diet ensures that you're getting all the necessary nutrients and keeps you full for longer. Intermittent fasting is not an excuse to indulge in unhealthy foods during your eating window. Remember, the goal is to improve your overall health, and eating whole foods is an essential part of the process. Secret number 1. Be consistent. The fifth and final secret is to be consistent. Intermittent fasting is not a one-time thing. It's a lifestyle change. You need to be consistent in your fasting and eating windows to see results. Skipping meals or breaking your fast too often can hinder your weight loss goals. One way to stay consistent is to plan your meals and snacks ahead of time. This can help you avoid temptations and ensure that you're sticking to your fasting and eating windows. But here's the best part. Weight loss is not the only advantage of intermittent fasting. It also has other mind-blowing advantages. Improved insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can reduce insulin resistance, lower blood sugar levels, and improve insulin sensitivity. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to several health conditions, like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Intermittent fasting can reduce inflammation levels in the body by reducing oxidative stress, improving gut health, and promoting cellular repair. Improved heart health. Intermittent fasting can improve heart health by reducing blood pressure, blood sugar levels, and inflammation. Additionally, it can lower LDL cholesterol levels and improve HDL cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Improved brain function. Intermittent fasting can improve brain function by promoting the growth of new nerve cells and increasing brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that is essential for brain health. Studies have also shown that intermittent fasting can improve cognitive function, memory, and concentration. Longevity. Intermittent fasting has been linked to increased lifespan and longevity. Studies on animals have shown that intermittent fasting can increase lifespan by up to 50%. While more research is needed in humans, it's believed that intermittent fasting can help reduce the risk of age-related diseases and improve overall health in the long term. In conclusion, intermittent fasting has several advantages, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, improved heart health, improved brain function, and increased longevity. However, it's essential to talk to your doctor before starting any new diet or lifestyle change, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Thank you for watching. We hope that you have found that helpful. Share it with a friend if they are keen on intermittent fasting too. Until then, all the best.